guys, Amaan here. This is the Phillips 6753 series 4K TV, which I managed to swipe from the recent Prime Day sales on Amazon. I picked it up for around £327 from its original price of £500. Now, why did I buy this TV? Well, soon I will be converting my basement into the ultimate man cave, where I plan on recording my videos from now on. Now, no man cave would be complete without a giant TV, and this fits the bill perfect. Now, another reason I got this TV in particular was because of its Ambilight integration. Now, originally I was going to buy a TV and then buy some additional LED light strips to put around it, but I'm so glad I didn't take that route. As you've seen from some of the B-roll footage, the Ambilight integration looks amazing. Now, the TV comes in at 43 inches with a resolution of 3840 by 2160, making it a 4K panel. The panel itself has really vivid colours thanks to its pixel precise Ultra HD technology, which converts any input to Ultra HD resolution, which results in deep blacks and whiter whites. Whilst I was messing around with Ambilight and watching some 4K YouTube videos and movies, the picture quality was excellent and the Ambilight integration made the whole experience a lot more immersive. Now, one of the key selling points of this TV, which sets it aside from other TVs on the market, is its 3 built-in LED light strips, which sit behind the TV on either side, one on the left side, one on the right side and one on the top. Now, they shine different colours depending on what is on the screen. It does have different modes, however. You can make it sync up to music and choose a lighting pattern, so you could have a mini nightclub in the comfort of your own bedroom. You can also make it stick with one colour or mimic the colours of your favourite country's flag. What I really like about Ambilight is how it changes the experience of watching movies. Sci-fi movies are a good example of where Ambilight shines, where you see planets move into the distance, the lights follow it. Now, a good example of a movie that shows this is Gravity. It really makes you feel like you're in space with them too. The sound quality in the TV is okay. It has some different modes you can pick from, so you can pick what sounds best for you. Whilst the sound quality isn't perfect, it's perfectly adequate for watching movies and playing games. See, most of the times I do use headphones, so this isn't a major issue for me. Now, I've been mainly using it as my monitor, and the TV does have a monitor mode, which I highly suggest using unless you want the quality to look questionable. It's perfectly capable of running at 4K 60p, and games look really good on the panel. Now, do note you will need a high-speed HDMI cable in order to fully use the 4K resolution, which I had to find out the hard way, unfortunately. Inputs wise, you get the standard 3 HDMI ports. Note only HDMI 2 and 3 ports will support HDR and 60Hz at 4K. It also has 2 USB ports and your standard YPB/PR connections. It also has Wi-Fi built in, which you'll need to access the smart TV features of this television. Now, the interface it uses is called SAPHI. It responds quickly to inputs and isn't hard to navigate around with the remote control. Whilst it isn't as good as the software found on some other smart TVs like WebOS or Android TV, it does get the job done and has a fair few apps that you'll need like YouTube, Amazon Video and Netflix. Overall, I'd say it's a great TV for the price. The Ambilight integration really sets it aside from the competition, and if you're already in the Philips ecosystem, you can link those up with the TV to add to the immersion. So in theory, you could have your whole bedroom light sync up to the movie you're watching, which actually sounds quite sick. Now, if you found my review helpful, then do consider leaving a like and possibly subscribing to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.